Hey guys, I thought today would be the day that I clean the Graham Goode Racing induction kit, whatever you want to call it, because I've owned it for 2 years, it's not been serviced, and I imagine the previous owner, like most things on the car, never got serviced. So I've got some bits. I've got Graham Goode induction kit, so I'm guessing it's a K&N filter. So I've got the K&N recharge kit, and then I've got my trusty socket set, no doubt won't need it, and Allen keys, because I think that's how you take the cover off. And I'm inside at the minute because it looks a bit windy outside, so I apologise for wind noise in advance. Literally is this plastic screw, and then there's one down here. Probably can't see, but yeah. Take that off the throttle body, but it looks like I'll have to remove the battery because I can't get to screw down here. Got the battery out, but still really can't get to that. Turn into a ball ache. Well, that was more effort than I thought, but yeah, got that on my throttle body so no crap goes in. Basically had 3 retaining pins. Finally got the filter out, and as you can see, not very red. It's like bugs and other delicious crap in there. K&N. So yeah, time to clean. So now I've took off the cone filter. I'm going to clean it with the K&N stuff. And then first apparently used this power cleaner. Spray it on. And then rinse off with the hose. And I think use this like aerosol air filter oil, and then reinstall. Hopefully it's easier than removing it, because that was a quick 10-minute job that turned into about half an hour. Cars. All the crap in there, all the flies. It's minging. So I just sprayed all this on, and I just need to rinse off with a hose. I've just finished using just a normal hose pipe on the jet mode on the nozzle with a cleaner, cleaned out the veins. No more dead flies. And the ones that were proper caught in there, I used a screwdriver and pushed them out of the veins. So now I'm just gonna let it dry, probably put it in the airing cupboard, maybe hair dry it because I'm in a rush. Don't want to be carless waiting for this. So yeah, don't want to bore you with the drying bit. I'll come back to when I apply the air filter oil. Graham Goode Racing cold air intake system. I'm being lazy and putting it in the airing cupboard. If it takes too long, I'll probably use a hairdryer because I've got stuff to do. I'll check it in about an hour or two. Bye! So after an hour of the filter being inside of the airing cupboard, it seems pretty much dry, so I'm going to apply the oil recharge. Pretty much just spray on. I think you do a couple of coats obviously, and then reinstall. Simple as. Just applied one layer on. You can already see it's redder than it was. So it says 20 minutes to dry. Might put another coat on. So yeah, see you in 20 minutes. I've left it to sit for 20 minutes, looks pretty much dry. Oh my god, there's a dog! So yeah, we just need to, well, done that one, but need to put the 3 retaining things in. One at the bottom down here, this one obviously, and then one just there. Screw them on, wiggle it back on to the throttle body Jubilee clip, put the tray back in properly. That one's snapped, but 2 should still hold. Mount the battery and Bob's your uncle. Got that all fitted on, all tight, not going anywhere. Just fitting the battery tray and the battery next, and I'll start her up. When removing the tray, I sheared off this bolt, just about to see it maybe, but yeah, can't really focus, but see it's gone. There's the battery, but it's not going anywhere, so 2 will hold it. Just reinstall the battery. Just reinstalled the battery. That's reinstalled. Just gonna fire it up. That's how to service your Graham Goode Racing cold air intake system. I think it's got a bit more induction noise. It's been cleaned, but could be my imagination.